Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Wall. So today in this video I will show you how to display array of objects, key values data in a table format. So this is the table which I am using. I have used only two rows and for to show the examples, and I will let you know how to again I will show you how to add 2-3 more rows in this video. So only by using JavaScript and HTML. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications, and please do follow my Instagram page which is Coding Wall, and leave a comment below so I can know that if there is any latest concept of video which you wanted. Please let me know in the comment section, so I will make it in a couple of days. So this is the coming to the video part. So this is the table, right? Data which I have, this is the data array of object which I have Naveen, Nani, and some of the data trained name. So I will show you how to do this. Okay, so let us get started to the video. Coming to the video part, coding part, I have created two files. One is index.html and the second one is prpc.js. So here if I enter, there is a shortcut for this in the VS Code. If you enter doc and enter, see there's a HTML basic things were created with this, and the title was document. So I will give script here, enter src, and if I enter dot slash, we will get the path of the file. So both are in the same folder, so that is the reason I got the file. And here I will give a div with the id is equal to table. Table. Okay, so here I need to write a function which function call. So I am not passing any parameter here, and inside the function, first I need to check whether the function is calling or not. I will give a console, no need of console. I will write direct where HTML for the HTML code which we call dot. Here I will give table border is equal to 1 5. Okay, I will close this. So this is for the table. My where my array is equal to forget about the in the introduction video. I have given some other names. So here we will give name is to p1 comma id is equal to 1. Once we can give any other thing, age 22. Same way we'll copy these 3 and I'll paste it below. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so here okay, now I will do one thing. I will give a set timer here because set timer on the load itself we will get the error because the component will be loaded at the same time. So we are giving an ID and we will assign that ID to the this table ID. We assign the whole table to the table ID. So that's the reason why I have given this set timeout. Okay, now here inside this we'll write a for loop where I is equal to 0 and is greater than my array dot length I plus plus. Okay, so inside this I will give one thing HTML plus is equal to tr. Next HTML plus is equal to td. Next place my array of first one which refers to this. Okay, dot name plus td close. The same way I will copy 3 name here age. Copy this and I will paste it here and I will add ID. Okay, so here what we'll do this, we'll close this tag, HTML tag. The whole thing will be repeated and there will be a table row. Inside the table row there will be TDs. Okay, now I will say it once. Okay, I need to call this function. How to call this function? And I need to assign this we need to assign this table to the table ID, HTML to the table ID. So in JavaScript we have document dot get element by ID. The ID which we have is table TML is equal to this HTML which we have. Okay, now let's save this and we will run this. See, we got the data, ID, phone, p1, p2, p3, p4, and those age value. Okay, so in this way we can display array of object data in HTML and JavaScript by using HTML and JavaScript. Okay, and by the way, if you want to add a heading to this, like ID, name, age, first in the same way how I have given like this, we need to give HTML head and the same closing tag for that, and inside that we will give a tr to that. Inside the td we will have a td, and this is the name which we have. So here it shows the name, id and age, same id, name and age. In this way we will give the heading to this. And remember one thing, we should not give this inside the for loop. If we give inside the for loop, it will repeat it. I will show this. So I have saved that. So for each and every line it is showing name, age, id, name, age, id, sorry, id, name, age, id, name, age. So we should not give inside an array. We should not give inside an for loop. We should give outside of the for loop. Okay, if we give the outside of the for loop, then it will be displayed like name and id, name and age, name and age. Okay, so thanks. If you know any other method, please mention in the comment section. And please don't forget to if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon and get the latest notifications. And please comment in the below video section whichever the queries we have, and please do follow my Instagram ID too. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.